What about the biosecurity and vaccination protocols? Is it properly followed by the farmers in those countries?
Biosecurity in our region up to now not good because no closed system.
Yeah,
Biosecurity must be in the closed system.
correct.
We didn't have closed system.
Yeah.
Only 10%, maximum 20%. And for the program of vaccination, we give oil vaccine
Okay.
in the all day.
Mhm.
I think it's contain 2 strain for ND and influenza. Then we give a live vaccine like bronchitis and IBD and ND.
You're right.
Yeah.
Right.